Want to automate repetitive tasks on your Windows computer? Microsoft Power Automate lets you create workflows that can save time by automating desktop and cloud-based tasks. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Microsoft Power Automate website. This ensures you're downloading the latest and safest version of the application. Look for the download option for Power Automate for desktop and start the download. Yeah, Microsoft may also offer cloud-based services, but for desktop automation, you'll want the desktop application. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. If Windows asks for permission through user account control, click Yes to continue. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement and continuing through the setup steps. The installer will automatically copy the required files and configure the application. After the installation finishes, open Microsoft Power Automate from the Start menu. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted so you can access desktop and cloud automation features. Finally, confirm that Microsoft Power Automate opens correctly and displays the home screen. You're now ready to create desktop flows, automate repetitive tasks, and explore the available templates. And that's how to install Microsoft Power Automate in 2026. With the application installed, you can begin building automated workflows to improve productivity and save time on repetitive tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.